international football returns to the National Stadium on Monday night with the return CONCACAF Nations League game against Honduras. Of course, the last time the office was open for business was the game against Cuba just over a month ago. And there were some issues with that match there that the JFF need to rectify. That thing where the bleachers had empty seats, but the tickets were sold out. JFF need to fix that foolishness. Going forward, the JFF needs to print enough tickets to match the seats in the stadium. Worse, if the boys impress against Nicaragua tonight, that would guarantee some more people loading onto the wagon for Monday night. Now, as for the players and coach Steve McLaren, they need to right the wrongs they committed against Cuba. They need to put in a more clinical performance, put in the effort and take their chances against Honduras in front of the fans at the National Stadium in order to keep them in order to keep them coming.